Question and answer solution of previous year mechanical engineering. Paper code PCME 701. Which of the following material is not generally machined by USM? A. Copper. B. Glass. C. Silicon. D. Germanium. Answer: A. Copper. 2. Which type of power supply is used in PAM? Answer: DC power supply. 3. Give the examples of gas laser. Answer: CO2 laser, helium neon, HENE laser. 4. The non-traditional machining process that follows Faraday's law of electrolysis is? Answer: electrochemical machining, ECM. 5. Explain some of the tool material used in EDM. Answer: copper, graphite, brass, copper tungsten. 6. What do you understand by fourth state of matter? Answer: plasma, ionized gas consisting of ions and electrons. 7. What are the magnitudes of voltages used in electro-discharge machining? A. 1 to 20 volts. B. 20 to 120 volts. C. 120 to 220 volts. D. 220 to 320 volts. Answer: B. 20 to 120 volts. 8. What materials can be machined by using laser beam? Answer: metals, ceramics, plastics, glass, and composites. 9. In magnetic abrasive finishing, MAF, surface finish can be improved by: A. Higher relative speed. B. Smaller working clearance. C. Increased flux density. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 10. What is the behavior of MRR in AJM with respect to the mixing ratio? Answer: MRR increases with mixing ratio up to an optimum value, then decreases. 11. In USM process, MRR is inversely proportional to abrasive concentration to the power 0.75. Find whether the statement is true or false. Answer: true. 12. The surface finish produced by ECM shows: A. Low corrosion resistance. B. Low wear resistance. C. Low friction resistance. D. Low fatigue strength. Answer: D. Low fatigue strength. 1. What is the full form of EDG? Answer: electro-discharge grinding. 2. In EDM, metal removal rate is proportional to? Answer: C. Both A and B. 3. In PAM, metal removed by? Answer: D. All of these. 4. PAM is A. Answer: D. All of these above. 5. In USM, the rate of penetration is dependent on? Answer: B. Action of abrasive grains. 6. The principles governing the metal removal rate in ECM is? Answer: C. Faraday law. 7. What are the factors on which the overcurrent depends in EDM process? Answer: discharge current, pulse duration, gap voltage, dielectric properties. 8. What is the narrowest slot can be made by EBM? Answer: About 0.025 millimeters. 9. Name the unconventional machining process which is used to remove minimum material. Answer: electrochemical machining, ECM. 10. For machining of high hardness, what will be the material tool selected in EDM? Answer: graphite or copper tungsten. 11. Best application in press tooling in EDM is done by what type of tool and work material? Answer: graphite tool with hardened steel workpiece. 12. What is the tolerances obtained in chemical machining? Answer: plus or minus 0.025 millimeters. What is the tool used in LBM process? Answer: the tool used in LBM, laser beam machining, is a focused laser beam. 2. Chemical machining is a process. Answer: chemical machining is a non-traditional chemical electrochemical process. 3. What is micromachining? Answer: micromachining is the machining of very small features in micrometer range with high precision. 4. What is the maximum temperature developed in PAM? Answer: the maximum temperature developed in PAM, plasma arc machining, is about 20,000 degrees Celsius. V. What is abrasive flow machining? Answer: abrasive flow machining is a finishing process in which abrasive-laden viscoelastic media flows through passages to remove material. 6. Which tool is used for chemical machining? Answer: the tool used for chemical machining is a maskant. 7. In electrolyte grinding, metal removal takes place by grate. Answer: in electrolytic grinding, metal removal takes place by electrochemical action. 8. What are the inaccuracies in EDM process? Answer: inaccuracies in EDM process are overcut, tapering of hole, and tool wear. 9. What is the value of current density used in EBM process? Answer: the current density used in EBM, electron beam machining, is about 10 to the power of 4 amperes per square centimeter. X. Who is responsible for causing a dissociation of the diatonic molecules or atoms into ions and electrons? Answer: high-energy electrons are responsible for dissociation of diatomic molecules or atoms into ions and electrons. 11. What are the two signals used to determine the pulses in EDM? Answer: the two signals used to determine the pulses in EDM are voltage and current. 12. What is the full form of EDG? Answer: the full form of EDG is electrochemical discharge grinding.